Welcome to Brood Content. Today, we're going to talk about the common cooking mistakes you need to avoid in order to create perfect meals. So let's jump right in. Mistake number 1, not preheating the oven. Preheating is crucial for even cooking, so make sure to preheat your oven to the correct temperature before putting anything in. Mistake number 2, overcrowding the pan. Overcrowding leads to uneven cooking and steaming rather than frying or browning. Give your ingredients enough space to ensure a delicious result. Mistake number 3, ignoring the recipe measurements. Accurate measurements are key for achieving the desired taste and texture. Don't take shortcuts, follow the recipe exactly as it's written. Mistake number 4, neglecting to season properly. Salt and pepper are not just afterthoughts, they enhance the flavors. So don't forget to season your food at every step of the cooking process. Mistake number 5, not tasting as you go. Tasting your dish throughout the cooking process allows you to make adjustments and ensure a perfect balance of flavors. Mistake number 6, flipping or stirring food too soon. Patience is key here. Let your food develop a nice crust or sear before flipping or stirring to avoid sticking or breaking apart. Mistake number 7, neglecting to read the entire recipe before starting. This can lead to surprises and overlooked steps. It's important to have a clear understanding of the entire process before beginning. Mistake number 8, using dull knives. Dull knives not only make cooking more difficult but also increase the risk of accidents. Keep your knives sharp for safe and efficient cooking. Mistake number 9, overcrowding the refrigerator. A crowded fridge restricts airflow, leading to uneven cooling. Give your food some space to ensure it stays fresh and properly chilled. Mistake number 10, rushing the resting time. Resting allows flavors to meld and juices to redistribute, resulting in a more flavorful and tender dish. So resist the urge to dig in immediately. Remember, by avoiding these common cooking mistakes, you'll be on your way to creating perfect meals every time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful cooking tips and recipes. Happy cooking!